Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we give you the lowdown on the latest beauty products you'll want to know about. Now, if you've been dreaming of that perfect sun-kissed glow, but you're not quite ready to hit the beach, or your skin's not loving the sun exposure, today's product may just be your best friend. We're talking about Pacifica's Sunny Glow Liquid Face Bronzer Drops. This product promises to give you that vacation glow without the harmful effects of UV rays. It's a lightweight, buildable formula that you can adjust for just the right amount of bronze. We'll be diving into all the details from how it performs to whether it's worth the price, so stay tuned. So, let's break it down. Pacifica's Sunny Glow Liquid Face Bronzer Drops are a unique blend of makeup and skincare, formulated with vitamin C from Kakadu Plum extract and glycolic acid. These two ingredients not only help your skin glow, but also improve the texture and tone over time. The vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, fading dark spots and boosting radiance, while glycolic acid gently smooths out the skin. This is more than just a bronzer, it's an actual skincare treatment. As for the texture, the product is silky and lightweight, making it super easy to blend into your skin. You can apply it directly onto bare skin for a dewy bronze look, or mix it into your foundation or moisturizer for a custom glow. The best part? It's streak-free, so you won't have to worry about those dreaded orange lines. It's also transfer-resistant once it sets, so your glow stays put and your clothes stay clean. Now, let's talk about the performance. After trying this product for a few weeks, I found it incredibly easy to integrate into my routine. I started by mixing 1 drop into my foundation for a subtle, healthy-looking warmth, but I quickly found that it's buildable. A few more drops, and I could achieve a deeper bronze, perfect for days when I want to look like I just returned from a tropical vacation. You can also use it as a liquid bronzer on your cheekbones, forehead, and nose, pretty much anywhere the sun would naturally hit. The only downside I noticed is that because it's a liquid, you have to be careful with how much you use, especially if you're layering it over other products. If you overdo it, it can get a bit too glowy for my taste, but that's easily controlled by the amount you apply. As for the value, at first glance, it seems a little pricey, but when you think about it, this product is a 2-in-1, a bronzer and a skincare treatment. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is always a huge plus in my book. Considering the quality and versatility, I'd say it's worth the splurge, especially if you're looking for a glowing spa, healthy tan without sun damage. Comparing it to other liquid bronzers on the market, Pacifica stands out with its clean, skin-loving ingredients. Many bronzers out there are packed with chemicals and heavy pigments, but this one uses fruit and flower extracts to nourish your skin, making it more than just a quick fix for a tan. While some bronzers may have a more intense glow, Pacifica offers something unique with its skincare benefits. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple. The dropper works well, giving you just the right amount of product each time, and the glass bottle feels sturdy. No complaints here. Since the formula is so lightweight, I also found that it didn't clog my pores or break me out, which is crucial when dealing with face makeup. I haven't needed to contact Pacifica's customer support, but based on my experience with other brands that focus on ethical, clean beauty, I expect they'd be responsive and helpful if needed. If you're after a similar product at a lower price point, you could look into brands like L'Oreal or ELF that also offer liquid bronzers with lighter formulations, but honestly, Pacifica's unique skincare infusion makes it hard to compare directly. So, is Pacifica's Sunny Glow Liquid Bronzer worth it? If you're someone who loves a natural, buildable tan with added skincare benefits, then absolutely. It's perfect for those who want to achieve a glow that's healthy and natural. And the fact that it works as a bronzer and a skincare treatment gives it a bonus in my book. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.